How to break your bad habits. That's the question, isn't it? Because if we could just break the bad habits, we'd be more focused. We'd be healthier. We'd be wealthier. We'd be better. But here's the challenge. Bad habits are easy to make and hard to break. And they don't just show up out of nowhere. We invite them slowly, quietly, over time. At first, they seem harmless. That extra hour of sleep, that skipped workout, that small excuse. But before long, they own you. Now, let me tell you something I've learned. You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction. Direction starts with habits. And bad habits, they'll take you somewhere you never wanted to go. But here's the good news. If you built the bad habit, you can break it. You're not stuck. You're not broken. You're just operating on old programming. And today we're going to rewire it. Because the same energy it takes to build a bad habit is the same energy you can use to build a better one. So, how do you break your bad habits? You start by taking responsibility. You stop saying, I can't, and start asking, how can I? You interrupt the pattern. You replace it. And most of all, you stay consistent long enough for the new habit to take root. It's not easy, but it's worth it. Because here's the truth. Success is a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Failure is a few errors in judgment, repeated every day. What you do daily matters. The small things, the invisible things, the habits, good or bad, are shaping your future. So today, I'm asking you to stop, pause, and take a hard look at the habits that are quietly stealing your potential. Because if you don't break your bad habits, they'll break you. Let's talk about how to take back control. Let's talk about how to build new disciplines, new standards, and a new you. This is the beginning of your transformation. Let's begin with this idea. Habits are not born, they're built. One small decision at a time. One repeated action at a time. And here's what most people don't realize. We first make our habits, then our habits make us. It's like laying bricks. Each time you repeat a behavior, you lay down another layer of that habit, good or bad, helpful or harmful. Now, the science of habits isn't complicated. You've got 3 steps. The trigger something sparks the habit. The behavior, the habit itself. The reward, the feeling that keeps you coming back. Let me give you an example. You feel stressed. That's the trigger. You reach for a cigarette. That's the behavior. You feel calm, or at least distracted. That's the reward. And over time, your brain says, let's do that again. Boom, habit. The problem? The reward is short-term, but the consequences, long-term. Now here's something I want you to write down. Discipline weighs ounces. Regret weighs tons. It's easy to fall into a bad habit. It's comfortable. It's familiar. But bad habits don't ask for your permission. They just move in. And if you're not careful, they take over the whole house. So, how do we